Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money blogging with affiliate marketing and how one product review blog made over $150 million. Hey guys, welcome. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So you want to learn how to make money blogging? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you the 5 things you need to know to be able to make money blogging using affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to share with you a blog that made over $150 million in affiliate revenue in just 7 years. I'm going to use that blog as an example to show you what's possible with affiliate marketing and blogging. So before jumping into the blog, let's talk about the 5 things that you need, because it's important to understand that in order to make money with a blog, it's not going to happen overnight. You need to do some research. You need to understand what you're getting into. The one thing that you need to realize is that with any business, it doesn't matter if it's blogging, affiliate marketing, or any other type of business, it takes time. So even if I give you all the facts and information in this video, you will need to take action. But I want to be able to give you some tips to help you get started. Thing number one that you need is to pick a niche, but not just any niche, something that you're really passionate about, something that inspires you. For example, if you like pets, if you like dogs or cats, or if you're into any type of sports or anything that you're really passionate about, that's considered a niche. And you can utilize that to write content and create content yourself and monetize that content. Now, if you're not passionate about the niche that you chose, most likely you will give up in the first 30 to 90 days of starting your blog. So it's really important to choose something that you're passionate about, that you understand, and that you feel good every single week or day writing about the things that you're passionate about. But you don't want to go and write about anything. You have to pick a niche, which leads me to thing number two, and that's finding a subcategory within a niche. And this is perhaps the fastest way to be able to monetize your blog, to be able to make money with your blog. It's really hard to go and write about how to train your dog, for example, and rank on Google for these type of things because there's so many people trying to rank for the same keywords. If you go for specific terms like how to train your bulldog, then that will lead you to a subcategory of that niche, because people who have the same type of dog might look for that specific search term and might lead them to your website. It's also a lot cheaper if you're going to pay for traffic than to get people on. For example, if you wanted to create Facebook ads to drive traffic to your blog, instead of sending people who want to learn how to train their dog, you can send people who want to learn how to train a specific type of dog. Well, that's a subcategory of that niche. How do you find a subcategory of that niche? Well, you can use tools like the Google Keyword Planner, which is 100% free. It will give you a lot of information on different keywords that people might be searching for on that specific niche. Another tool that can help you find subcategories of a niche is a Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere. And you can go on Google, you can download it for free. And once you search for a specific term on Google, it'll tell you exactly how many people are searching for that term, and also give you ideas of different subcategories for that niche. Now, thing number three that you need is to build a brand. And this is really important because if you're going to jump into a specific niche, you need to have a powerful brand. People tend to trust brands a lot more. So you do need a good design for your blog. For that, you can use something like a WordPress blog, which would be my number one recommended tool. All of my blogs are using WordPress mainly because it's really easy to maintain and it's not complicated. Anyone can learn how to do it. You also need a logo, a domain name, and a hosting account to be able to publish your blog online. Now, I'm going to post some links and resources in the description of this video for you to check it out. Everything that I'm talking about in this video is going to be found in the description below. Thing number four that you need is to monetize your blog. Every single niche is different. Some niches pay a lot more than others, and there's multiple ways to monetize. For example, there's the Amazon Associate Program, which means you can make money by simply posting links on your blog for specific products that you mention in your blog. And when people click on it, they'll be taken to Amazon and they'll be able to purchase that product. If they actually purchase the product, then you're going to make a commission for that. Even if they don't purchase the product that you're referring, you might earn a lot of money if they purchase something else within the first 24 hours. You can also use digital networks like ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate network where you can promote affiliate products, and you can typically make between 20, 30, 50 to $100 per sale for promoting different products. And they have a ton of different categories where you can choose to put banners and links to different digital products. Another simple way to monetize your blog is using the Google AdSense program. The Google AdSense program's been around for a very long time, and you can sign up for free. Basically, it allows you to put ads on your website. When people click on those ads, then you make money. Now, the more traffic you get, the more money you can make with Google Ads. One of my favorite ways to monetize a blog is using Facebook Instant Articles, which is one of the top ways that I monetize my blogs. I actually make quite an income doing that. And you can check some of my other videos where I talk about Facebook monetization. Once you have the monetization tools in place, the next thing you need to do is to promote, promote, and promote. You need to promote your blog to your friends and family on Facebook using paid advertising, perhaps on YouTube as well. And you need to start writing consistent content on a daily or weekly basis. Because the thing is, once you have 200, 300 blog posts on your blog, they're more likely to be found on Google. More people are likely to link to your blogs if you're actually taking the time to create something useful. Remember, you're providing value to a specific niche, so you have to make sure that you enjoy what you're doing. If you're not enjoying it, if you're just doing it for the money, then most likely you're not going to make money. The thing is, you have to be passionate about what you're doing, and you have to be willing to make some sacrifices where in the beginning you're not going to make a lot of money. You're just putting a lot of content, a lot of value in the marketplace. Hopefully people will see that. They'll start sharing your blog posts. They'll start recommending your blog to different friends and family, and it'll start growing little by little to the point where you're going to be making, you're going to be generating 1,000 visitors per day, 10,000 visitors a month, or more. What I'm explaining to you in this video is the exact same strategy that this blog that I'm going to show you in this video used to make over $150 million in basically 7 years. The blog is called thewirecutter.com, and right now that was the previous name. They got bought by the New York Times, and now it's just called wirecutter.com. They actually generate over 10 million visitors per month right now, and most of the traffic that they get is from referral traffic sites and other websites and networks and blogs that link to them. And then you can tell that over 20% of the people who visit the blog, they go into an Amazon product or they go into an affiliate network where they make affiliate commissions if someone actually buys or purchases something in those websites. Now, this website was actually created in 2011, and they made, in the time that they were creating content, they made over $150 million in that time. They got purchased by the New York Times for $30 million, and they continue to generate a ton of profit for their new owners now, the New York Times. So affiliate marketing definitely works with blogging. It just don't think that's going to happen overnight. It will take time, but if you keep at it, if you find a niche, if you find a sub niche that really works and can make you $500, $1,000 per month or more, you can replicate it, and you can do that for multiple niches, and you can even grow and expand to different categories as the Wirecutter did. They started with product reviews, and now they have a ton of different categories for different product reviews, and they make a lot of money doing it. Just remember the tips that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Those are the same exact steps that the Wirecutter implemented to be able to get to where they are right now, and you can definitely do that Remember that time is going to go by anyways. Probably in the next 5 years, you're going to regret not starting. If you really want to start a blog and be able to write about the things you're passionate about, it's better to start now. If you don't, you're going to regret it in 12 months that you didn't actually begin. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, consider subscribing, leave me a comment, and hopefully by the next time you watch one of my videos, you actually take action and do something that you really want to do, not just because of the money, but because you are passionate about the things that you're doing. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video.